Hey everyone, welcome to Body Make and Health Management channel. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and want to give your metabolism a boost? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about 10 incredible foods that can naturally supercharge your metabolism and help you reach your health and wellness goals. Let's jump right in. Chapter 1. The Ultimate Metabolism Booster. First up, we have green tea, a powerhouse when it comes to boosting your metabolism. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants called catechins, specifically one called EGCG, which has been shown to have a positive impact on your metabolic rate. Studies have shown that drinking green tea regularly can lead to a slight increase in calorie expenditure throughout the day. Plus, green tea is a much healthier alternative to sugary drinks, which can actually sabotage your metabolism. So, next time you're reaching for a beverage, consider swapping it out for a refreshing cup of green tea. Aim for 2 to 3 cups per day to reap these benefits. Chapter 2. Turning up the heat on your metabolism. Next on our list is chili peppers, and no, you don't have to turn your mouth into a furnace to get the benefits. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which is responsible for that characteristic heat. When you eat chili peppers, capsaicin temporarily increases your body temperature, a phenomenon known as thermogenesis. This increase in body temperature requires energy, and guess where your body gets that energy from? You got it, by burning calories. The great thing about chili peppers is that they're incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle a pinch of chili flakes on your eggs in the morning, add some diced jalapenos to your lunchtime salad, or even spice up your dinner with a dash of cayenne pepper. Just remember, a little goes a long way, especially if you're not used to eating spicy food. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it as your tolerance builds. Chapter 3. Your metabolism's best friend. Good news, coffee lovers! Your morning cup of joe might be doing more than just waking you up. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can give your metabolism a temporary boost. Studies have shown that caffeine consumption can lead to a short-term increase in metabolism, with some studies suggesting it can boost your metabolic rate by up to 11% for a few hours. However, it's important to note that these effects are more pronounced in people who don't consume caffeine regularly. Now, before you start chugging down gallons of coffee, remember that moderation is key. Too much caffeine can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other unpleasant side effects. Stick to 1 to 2 cups of coffee per day, and opt for black coffee or coffee with minimal added sugar and cream to keep it healthy. Chapter 4. Fueling your metabolic fire. Let's talk about protein, the building block of our bodies and a key player in boosting your metabolism. Protein-rich foods require more energy to digest compared to carbohydrates and fats. This means that your body burns more calories breaking down and absorbing protein, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food. Studies have shown that consuming a high-protein meal can boost your metabolism by 15 to 30%, compared to just 5 to 10% for carbohydrates. Good options include lean meats like chicken breast and fish, plant-based proteins like tofu and lentils, eggs, Greek yogurt, and nuts and seeds. By prioritizing protein in your diet, you'll not only feel fuller for longer, but also give your metabolism a helping hand. Chapter 5. The spicy root that ignites your metabolism. Ginger, a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, is known for its distinct flavor and numerous health benefits, including its potential to boost metabolism. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have thermogenic properties. While more research is needed to fully understand the extent of ginger's effects on metabolism, some studies suggest that it may temporarily increase calorie expenditure and help regulate blood sugar levels. You can add freshly grated ginger to your smoothies, stir-fries, or soups for a zesty kick. Ginger tea is another fantastic option, especially on chilly evenings. Make it a regular part of your diet and enjoy its flavor and potential metabolic boost. Chapter 6. A tangy tonic for your metabolism. Apple cider vinegar, a pantry staple in many households, has gained popularity in recent years for its potential health benefits, including its possible effects on metabolism. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help improve insulin sensitivity, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar levels are stable, your body is better able to utilize glucose for energy, which can indirectly support a healthy metabolism. If you're interested in incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet, start with a small amount, about 1 to 2 tablespoons diluted in a glass of water before meals. Remember, moderation is key, as consuming large amounts of apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel and interact with certain medications. As always, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplements or making significant changes to your diet. Chapter 7. The iodine-rich superfood for a healthy metabolism. Seaweed, often overlooked in Western diets, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of its standout nutrients is iodine, which plays a crucial role in thyroid function. Your thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate your metabolism, growth, and development. Iodine is essential for the production of these hormones, and a deficiency in iodine can lead to hypothyroidism, a condition characterized by a slowed metabolism. Seaweed is an excellent source of iodine, with just a small amount providing your daily recommended intake. You can add nori sheets to your sushi rolls, sprinkle dried seaweed flakes onto salads, or snack on roasted seaweed snacks for a salty and satisfying treat. With its unique flavor and impressive nutritional profile, seaweed is a valuable addition to any diet, especially for those looking to support their metabolism. Chapter 8. The MCT powerhouse for a metabolic boost. Coconut oil has gained popularity in recent years for its unique composition of fatty acids, particularly medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs. Unlike long-chain triglycerides, which are found in most other fats, MCTs are more easily digested and absorbed by the body. This rapid breakdown and utilization of MCTs can lead to a temporary increase in metabolism and calorie expenditure. Some studies suggest that replacing some of your dietary fats with coconut oil may slightly boost your metabolic rate. However, it's important to note that coconut oil is still a type of fat and should be consumed in moderation. You can use it for sautéing vegetables, adding it to smoothies, or even using it as a healthy alternative to butter and baking. Remember, coconut oil is not a magic weight loss solution, but it can be a part of a balanced diet when consumed in moderation. Chapter 9. The Elixir of Life and Metabolism Booster. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in countless bodily functions, including metabolism. Staying properly hydrated is vital for maintaining a healthy metabolism. When you're dehydrated, your metabolism can slow down, making it harder for your body to function optimally. Drinking cold water may provide an additional metabolic boost. Your body expends energy to heat the cold water to body temperature, which can temporarily increase calorie expenditure. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Not only will it support your metabolism, but it will also keep your energy levels up and your body functioning at its best. Chapter 10. The guilt-free indulgence that boosts metabolism. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate in moderation can be a delicious and guilt-free way to give your metabolism a slight boost. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has been linked to various health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammation. Some studies suggest that consuming dark chocolate may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve the body's response to insulin, which can indirectly support a healthy metabolism. Moreover, dark chocolate contains caffeine and theobromine, two natural stimulants that can provide a temporary boost to your metabolic rate. When choosing dark chocolate, opt for varieties that contain at least 70% cacao. The higher the cacao content, the more flavonoids and less sugar it contains. Limit yourself to a small square or two of dark chocolate per day to enjoy its potential metabolic benefits without overdoing the sugar and calories. So there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can naturally boost your metabolism and help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Combining a healthy diet with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep is the key to unlocking your full metabolic potential. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.